Can you believe there are only 7 ingredients in this delicious chocolate strawberry tart? It's really easy to make. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, Easter, or just because you love chocolate. Start by making the cookie crumb crust. Blend some chocolate wafer cookies with sugar and melted butter, or do what I did here and use some Oreo thins, leaving out the sugar. Press this mixture into the bottom of a removable bottom tart pan and bake it at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Then make the ganache filling by pouring warm, heavy cream over chocolate chips, stirring in a little butter at the end. Now pour this delicious mixture into the tart shell and let it sit for a few hours to set up. You can also pop it into the fridge if you're in a hurry. The strawberries get a really simple glaze with just some warm jam. Seedless raspberry is best, but strawberry or apricot will work in a pinch too. You can toss the strawberries on haphazardly or place them in a pattern of any kind. You do you. Make your mark. Slice the tart and dollop on a little whipped cream and serve this to someone you love, or just enjoy it yourself. Impressive and delicious. That's a win-win. This chocolate strawberry tart is so easy to make, so delicious that I will make it to celebrate just about anything.